looking for one of those tacos. I'm gonna try a steak taco. These are steak tacos. They also have the option of carnitas, which is I think what I had at the Fort Lauderdale show. So I'm gonna try the steak this time, and you get chips with that, all for $12. And then they also have chips and salsa by itself for $6, beef hot dogs for $6, and kettle chips for $3, and a whole bunch of drinks as well. Live music, lunch, and a view. So I'm gonna dig in one of the tacos right now. Delicious. There's one for you. Definitely recommend getting this. What kind of boat is this? Barker Boatworks. See, it's got the 450Rs on it. 4 of them. It's going to be a very fast boat. So, seems to be a lot of center consoles on the south side of the show. Let's see if this connects to the rest of the show. That's a very nice looking one from Formula.
Passive that is, but yeah.
There's so many boats named Namaste. It's amazing. Oh, this is that Pegasus boat. Oh, this is okay. This is a Pardo yacht that I showed in my other video. Check out the Pardo full tour Flips 2020 video that I did. With me is Haido, who gave an amazing tour of all 3 boats. So he's just explaining that this is his boat. Yeah. And the one that we saw back at Flips 2020 that said Pegasus also. And who did you sell the other one to?
Nicky Jam.
So you said there's some crazy things on this boat, so tell me about that.
Yeah, with the help of factory and with the help of Pardo Miami people, we set the challenge for ourselves to build the most ridiculous 50, and we kind of did it. So this has all the options in the menu basically, and we did a lot of custom things for it to make it really stand out. The color is from Pagani Grigio Clement, from the car maker Pagani.
Oh, okay.
It has diamond flakes in it. All the fridges you can possibly imagine. has underwater radars,
Uh-huh.
underwater scanners. It scans the water underneath you, 200 feet in front of you. It shows the surface of the water, whatever is in the water. Crew cabins. The crew cabin over here. The black one had a.
Oh yeah.
The black one had a laundry room. The sound system is out of this world.
Yeah.
There's an amp for every single subwoofer. There's a couple amount of speakers that I added. I saw you on the Princess with your wife, and I was like, I'll wait till I see him.
Okay. Pardo. A lot of people really enjoyed that video. Those boats are very interesting. They always kind of remind me of like, if you ever watched the Batman animated series, that kind of Art Deco look, that kind of like modern, but like austere look to it. Reminds me of like, yeah, like if Batman had a boat on that show. Okay, now we're going on, oh look at this little thing, it's adorable. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of stay in the outer part of the docks, just kind of see where it takes us. Oh, look at this, it's real old school.
Designed by his grandfather.
Okie dokie. Still trying to find out where Denison Yachts is. There was that one Denison yacht we saw all the way on the north dock, but it was just one boat. Denison has a whole lot of boats here. I know sometimes they're broken up into different sections, but I haven't seen like the main section yet. It's a big catamaran powerboat. $60-foot, 1.5 million. Got this is Sapphire Beach. Okay, Sunseekers. Astandoa. Covered that Mount Doom from Astandoa at the Miami Yacht Show 2019. No, 2020. Wait. I get so confused with when everything shut down. 2020, yes, February right before March. And I kept thinking it said Mr. Doom because the way they wrote the T really looks like an R. Let's see, this is based out of Hallandale. It's in Astandoa. So nice. So this boat over here to the right, some people are saying it just looks kind of like okay, but I don't know, I think it kind of looks so nice actually. This is an Astandoa. They have always big windows on their boats. Nice big windows, which I like. So the docks are going out even further and further. Spectre. see how far this keeps going.
I'm on the side close to the bridge.
And now I see Denison finally.
I'd rather just go and
I mean, up to you, unless you want to.
Here's the Mangusta. Oh, I wonder if this is, yeah, it's a Kampai. I was interested in this boat from Denison. Looking at this one.
Everything represents certified, all the companies, and they can.
And I'm looking for that 7 diamond boat. Okay, I see the main area coming up just ahead. Denison always has the best assortment of boats. And like the largest assortment. Their section is always, it's just gigantic. And here's their main setup right here.
I was up at 5 this morning.
Okay, it's hard to see when they're all kind of squished together like this, but this is the one that I was talking about. 7 diamonds right here. They don't have a paper for it to kind of see all the specs. It's a very interesting boat though. Oh, there is one here. Okay, right here. And we'll be coming back to take a look aboard some of those boats. This, I can't believe, is back on the market again. This is it. It's so weird seeing it this close up, the Thunder. So check out the video from the, was it 2020? Yeah, 2020 Miami Yacht Show. Full, like almost 1 hour walkthrough of this. New owner since the last time, a whole new paint job. If you look at it, remember the last time I had that metallic finish? And they've been redoing different parts of the inside of it. So yeah, that's why it looks totally different now. Some parts of the inside are still there, some parts are new and different. But yeah, check out on the channel, it was a 55-minute video, very extensive walkthrough. She was also saying that the turbines were pulled out. This thing used to do like 40 something knots, and now it's down to 23. So it used to be a lot faster, but it's kind of, as you're saying, really kind of crazy to do that. And she was saying that she doesn't really think anybody could afford to do that anymore. And that it's an older boat. Here we have Trolley Yachts. A lot of videos, a lot of coverage on the channel. Check that out from 2019 to 2020 Flibs. Now we're coming to Moran Yachts. Moran, I never know how to pronounce it. I was saying moron. Moran Yachts. If you saw my other videos, me wearing those like yellow sunglasses, that's where it's from. Ocean Alexander, covered some of these. Flibs, no, covered one of them actually. The Best of Show. I think it was a 25. I really like that. Octopus, see, this is always popping up at the different shows. I've seen this at Flibs. And we've got HMY Yachts over this way. Oh, what is this one? There's some nice ones here. This is an Ocean Alexander based on that symbol. There's no signage for it. Yep, Ocean Alexander. Can't make it out 2001 or something. Another Ocean Alexander right here. These are beautiful boats. But that goes back. Let's continue walking as far as we can this way. Oh, the Pearl. Check out the Pearl 80 and the Pearl 95 from Flips 2020 on my channel. Absolutely beautiful boats. Here's the 80. And let's see, do they have their 95?
I guess on the first day, that's tough.
I don't see the 95. I don't think they brought it. Nope. Things have definitely quieted down at this point. The show closes in about 15 minutes. I'm still just trying to get a feel for where everything is. See what I'm interested in coming back to cover. Let's see, Gilman Yachts. I'm trying to just stay on the dock as long as I can this way to kind of feel out the outer parts. Okay, now we've got a lot of the fishing boats here, fishing yachts, I should say. My stabilizer's lopsided. Okay, so now it turns around this way. Am I at that other section that I started at yet? Let's see. I think so. Okay, that's the Quantum of, yep, Quantum of Solace is right there. So, okay, I made a full loop then. Oh, some Vikings over here. Viking. This is nice. Oh yeah, this is apropos. This is actually the name of the yacht company, Palm Beach. And we're in Palm Beach. I'll have to get some of these boats. Here's that Quantum again. These are like two boats I'm always trying to get for you guys to watch. That's that one there, the Quantum of Solace, and then this one over here, the Majesty 140.
Yeah, we'll wait for them. Yeah, let's wait here. Yeah, the door is possible.
Outback Yachts. This is interesting. Let's see what this says.
They go on sonar, then front facing sonar, then they go after.
These look like, this looks like a Viking. Let's see how good I'm getting at recognizing boats. See if I'm right. Nope, I'm totally wrong. Just kidding. Yeah, it's got like a real signature look to them. HMYs. HMY is pretty big. They seem like Denison's biggest competitor. Oh yeah, Tiara. Met the grandson of the company. I think I did the regular Tiara. This is the Tiara Sport line. And I covered that at the Miami International Boat Show, I think 2020. Over in this section we have Princess Yachts. You really kind of have to crisscross all the different paths in here because it's easy to miss things. Oh, this is a big major walkway right here. I would recommend anybody coming, let's say with a wheelchair or anything like that, baby stroller, this is probably the best way to get onto the docks. Some of the other sections have small kind of ramps that would be kind of hard to navigate. Princess has a really big section here. And again, see the Princess V65 and V78 that I just put up recently from PBIBS 2020. I might have spoken too soon. Oh no, there's a ramp here. Okay, so even though there's stairs right here, there is a ramp to come up right there, as you can see. And yeah, so this is I'm trying to figure out which dock number it is. Dock number 4. There's that Goslings Bar. Take a little bit more of a walk that way. Burger. Not familiar with burger. Wait, this is getting too weird. So wait, okay. So you can get at the boat show here, you can get a burger, and then you can always ask for some classic Coke with it. Now we just need to see if they have any fries. And I think, I'm assuming by the empty space over here that somebody already took the classic Coke. So, yep, just regular Coke. Okay, coming up to Azimuth. Once again, like a broken record, but check out the Azimuth videos also on my channel, especially the ones I just did, PBIBS 2020, Magellano 25 Metri, and Grande 27 Metri. It's nice seeing the skyline behind the boats. So it's a really pretty location for the boat show. Boston Whaler. Some very nice big boats for them. Sea Ray coming up on the left. And let's see, this is the Goslings Island Bar. Let's see what they have on their menu. Okay, so they have conch salad and jerk pulled pork and some salmon as well. And let's see what they have for drinks over here. And here's a look at their menu for drinks. And if things look quiet now, that's just because we're in the last few minutes of the actual show. It'll officially be closing in just a moment. But everything was very busy today. I even heard somebody else saying how they've never seen a Thursday this busy at a boat show anywhere. Riviera. I know, I've covered these as well. I can't remember now where. Chris Craft I just did at the 2020 Flips. Two of their boats, two of their newer boats, small ones. And Absolute I covered as well, 2020 Flips and 2019 Flips. What is this one called? Mantimo. Never heard of that one. Sunseeker. I've never heard of this Mantimo. I always like when I come across something new to check out. Wait, what is it called? Oh, Maritimo. Oh, the R and the I look like an M-A-N. It's like that Mr. Doom that was Mountain. Let me see. Yeah, see, I thought that was an N. They crossed their T's, but they did not dot their I's. And so, I thought it said Mantimo. Look at the front of this. It almost looks a little bit like a grill on a car, right? Like the way that looks. Like a Cadillac grill or something. You can see inside there's a nice room, nice view right there. World Cat. See, these were in the convention center at the 2019 Flips. Okay, and I'm going to now head back to dry land because dry land is not just our destination, it is our destiny. Leave a comment if you know what movie that's from. It's a really nice sunset. So I see Pursuit and Intrepid are there. Covered those as well. Oh, let's see. You know what? Now I gotta go look at the lounge chairs on the little floating dock. Should just do like a performance art thing, have like somebody, like two people sitting down there just pretending like they're at the beach, like totally ignoring all the people gawking, and that'd be interesting.
Remember, the 45 only comes with each.
There's another good ramp over here, it seems like. Yeah, you can see. I was saying that. So yeah, it is wheelchair accessible. So that is good, because some boat shows, I'll be honest, are not always friendliest for wheelchairs and such. But this one is a nice layout. I mean, you can see even like, look at how wide everything is here. We've got the nice ramps. So that's good. Let's see, this is taking me out, I think, to that amphitheater section. I'm gonna try to find out where the shuttle service is. Yeah, and you can see this is normally a street you can drive on right here. So I'm on Ivernia. Let me see what it says about Ivernia. Oh, right here. So this is that amphitheater thing, but it looks like it's all closed off. But they make it look like it's part of the event. I'm not sure how that works. Okay. Kind of curious to see what would be over there. Oh look, maybe you can get in there this way. Let's see. I didn't walk all the way around to see that it was open.
Big mistake.
Yeah, let's see what's over here. It's like a big oval shaped area, it seems. I mean, it's closed now, but let's just see what we have here. Is it food, like a whole food court here? Oh, okay, yeah, it's a big food court area with the port of call. So this is an amphitheater area right here for the city. And then we've got a whole bunch of food trucks, so a lot of options here. Okay, this is good to know. But I have to say the taco was excellent. I think it was well worth it also with where it comes with the chips. Between the two tacos and the chips, they'll fill you up. And it tastes excellent. Even the chips are really good with that salt on them.
When you guys get in, text me.
Wood-fired meat. Arepas. Greek Isles. Yeah, a lot of the same things. Greek Isles, I think I had the gyro at Flips from them. Okay, so a lot of good choices here, as well as some food trucks. Figure out how to get out of here now. It's another view of that amphitheater. Let me just get it with the buildings behind there. Growing up in South Florida, I still love palm trees. Whenever I go somewhere like north where palm trees can't grow, it always feels like something's missing. And you can't grow these in cold regions, places where it normally snows. They could just put them like in planters and take them out in the warmer months, but can't permanently plant them in cold regions.
Okay, so
And these trees are amazing. They can withstand hurricanes, high force winds. So let's see here. We've got a restaurant, Bradley's. Live music. Let's take a peek at it. I'm not eating now because I just finished eating at tacos. Well, this is nice. This place right next to the, basically going right into the boat show, as you see right here. Really cool looking place.
that's a long night.
That's cool. Look at this over here. Pick up. on one of these large chairs, large Adirondack chair. And then it continues up this way to the restaurant itself. We'll just kind of cut through real fast.
What I like about that
The place is big. It keeps going all the way here. I'll have to grab a menu. A little arcade in there as well. Is there live entertainment that's done here sometimes? This is interesting. They have an all-gender restroom as well. I just heard somebody else saying, "The hell with that! I don't want to use the gender-neutral bathroom." It's a really nice place. Pretty busy. I don't know if this is for the boat show or if it's general. I would imagine it's generally like this. Check out that sunset, perfectly aimed down the street. Let's see, over here we have a pub. They have the outdoor seating, kind of like in New York. And then like in New York, there's that thing where that phenomenon where the sun like lines up perfectly down the street. They call it, I forget what they call it. It sounds like Stonehenge, but it's like something else. I don't know where you get on that shuttle.
Okay, this is on Aqua Zone. So the stop is on Aqua.
You have to look.
Yeah.
You have to look.
One at Taqueria and one on Olive at Taqueria, Olive at Hibernia, Olive in Fern.
Okay.
So you have 3-4 stops down here.
So nothing that's actually right in front of the show.
Well, the show is right here.
Okay.
The main entrance of the show is right
Oh, so this would be the closest stop for that right here?
I think so. A lot of people are asking for Bannon. Unfortunately, I'm going to turn on Bannon, which is the next traffic light, and I'm making a left, but the stop is 3 blocks up. So they should be getting off here if they want the closest stop to the entrance, like if they have to buy tickets or something.
Okay. So is this normally running like all year long, this trolley? It's adorable.
Yeah.
I love it.
We haven't run for the last year.
Oh wow.
And trolley, this is a city trolley. The city owns the trolley, but I don't work for the city. I work for Palm Beach Tours and Transportation, who operates the trolleys in the city. So when COVID-19, it's been a year to the day actually. The city shut us down. We didn't know for how long. We thought we were going to be back up and running at Christmas, but then another outbreak of COVID happened down here, so they didn't bring us back. And this is strictly Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday this week. And then we're hoping, we think they're going to bring us back soon. If that's the case, then you have 3 different lines running.
Okay.
7 days a week.
So I took the trolley back. Oh, I should have videoed the outside of it. I forgot to video the outside. Those lights are actually flickering, by the way. It's not the shutter speed. So today was the very first day of, oh, here's a trolley. Here we go. Great, I got a shot now. Today's the very first day of the trolleys being operational only for the boat show, but they've been closed for 1 year now due to COVID. I'm gonna wait to just get a shot of that. Very pretty. Look at this street down here. There's a cheesecake factory right there. My favorite restaurant. Look how beautiful that road is. Really nice. And yes, that tree that we looked at before with plastic leaves definitely is something to see at night. Very busy here. It's like the Bellagio. Oh, that's awesome.
Going under the Skyway Bridge.
I'm heading back to my car, 1 hour drive back home. I'll only do this all over again tomorrow. I'm gonna try to get here earlier tomorrow morning. The stairs have like a whole little story there. The hummingbird flutters in for its fill of nectar. The alligator gazes still. The panther naps above. The fish twists below. I don't know if it's missing some lines there or some words, I'm not sure, but it's interesting. I've done enough walking today, so I will take the escalator. And remember, as Mitch Hedberg says, an escalator can never truly be broken, it just becomes stairs. Oh, there's more stories from that side too. I'm not gonna try to read it from here. All right, yacht parked right here on the 3rd floor. See what I mean? See, it's broken or it's not operational, so now it's stairs. This is cool. In the parking garage, there's all these lights up here. They're red when there's no parking space, and then like as you see, as you go up ahead, you see there's green. That means there's gonna be an open parking spot over there. That's pretty cool. See, like it's green over there, and then sure enough, there's an empty parking space right there. It's green, empty spot right here. That's really cool. This one's green and this one's crazy. There's no open parking spots on either side. So I guess it's not always perfectly working. And then for this lot, you have to pay only with credit cards, as it says. So maximum rate is $12. I think Saturday and Sunday it's like $5. Well, it's weird. It says it's $12 parking, yet it's $13.36. I don't know why. It does show here $12 maximum. I don't know if they're putting a tax on there or something. It says it's
checking your credit card. Please wait.
currently unable to issue a receipt. Oh. Hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know by smashing the like button. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe, ring the notification bell so you can come along on future adventures on this channel. I'll see you soon. Bye.